lights go out. You're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, where are you now? I hope you're fine, but I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You had to go. I will save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming. You're like a flower, you've always loved them. When winter comes, you go. Why is it so? Always on a high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The tales we were told swore they'd never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat, we're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet, starts to shake with you all we can. Winter turned to spring, I remember everything from Wichita. This town is on its knees, you know God is overseas, I'm telling ya. Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me. Are we sure it's the last time? the stars and the city lights. And all the moods in a heartbeat. We're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet. Stars to shake we do all we can. But we're caught in a landslide. So we stay up to the morning light. Ooh.